In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we visit Long Lane in Richmond, St. Mary to see the work of an artist whose passion is not only to make furniture from plastic, but to protect the environment. Keon Morgan has the story.
From flower pots, garden sculptures, patio sets, to water fountains, you name it, Travis Hunter can make it. From plastic bottles, of course. It's a passion intertwined with his artistic capabilities and his love for recycling.
We have been recycling from basic school by playing with, the plastic bottle chucks and use the cork stopper as the wheels. So I used to make a lot.
The plastic bottles are used as the base for his design. He then molds the frame from cement. The outcome is then left up to his creativity. For him, the benefits are twofold.
While earning, I use this opportunity as well to clean the environment from all the pollutants, because a lot of plastic bottles are thrown away on the street. So instead of them end up in gullies and gutters and drain and to clog the drains, so that when you have a rainfall, you have flooding. So on one table set takes 1,600 plastic bottles to finish. So if you had 3 table set, you can see that 4,300 plastic bottles that have been removed from the street. So can you imagine 10 table set?
Travis, who is also a graphic designer and welder, says initially he wanted to be a biochemist, but
my art teacher Calderon really inspired me to take the art to a next level. So from there, I keep on learning and evolving and add different techniques and abilities to what I have already. So as you can see right here now, this is just the beginning of what I can do.
And everything he uses is recycled.
The more you recycle, the less pollutant you have around the environment. And you have a cleaner Jamaica.
He's encouraging other youths to be creative while protecting the environment.
Having subjects and degree doesn't say much when you have a trade and with the degrees, because I have 8 CXC subjects. But I didn't finish school as I wanted to do. It's God's plan, so whatever God have in store for you, you just have to just work with it. Sometimes you say you want to do X, and God say do Y or Z. So I have to just work with the art, because the art is working with me.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Keon Morgan.